Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mark Royce.
Good morning, everybody. This is a great day for truck lovers, right here in California and across America. Today, Chevrolet reveals the all-new Colorado, our third pickup truck introduction in less than 12 months, with all new offerings in the light-duty, heavy-duty, and now the return to our mid-size segment. Our goal is simple: to meet the needs of the broadest possible customer base and excite and delight them. No compromises, and unlike our competitors, our three-truck strategy lets customers choose precisely the right truck for their needs. The Silverado 1500 was introduced last December and has been received extremely well. Consumer Reports named the 2014 Silverado their top-rated truck. And customers are finding that the new light duties are stronger, smarter, and more capable than ever before. With all new cabs and interiors, distinctive exterior designs, 3 new powerful and efficient engines, and the latest in connectivity options. Just 2 months ago, we introduced the Silverado HD in Texas. And yeah, I went to this Texas State Fair to do it. It brings new levels of refinement and strength to the heavy-duty segment with all new cabs and interiors, along with best-in-class payload and conventional towing. Today, we can complete the new Chevrolet truck portfolio with the introduction of the 2015 Colorado, a real truck that shares its DNA with the Silverado 1500 and the Silverado HD. It is a mid-size offering that truck customers will find appealing for the combination of capability, refinement, maneuverability, and fuel economy. A truck that will really shake up the segment and leave the competition in the dust far behind. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. Now with the all-new 2015 Colorado, Chevrolet reinvents the mid-size truck. When it arrives next fall from our plant in St. Louis, Missouri, we're confident that the Colorado will be the most capable, versatile, and technologically advanced mid-size truck on the market. This truck is engineered to provide customers the best towing, best payload, and best fuel economy in segment. 2 engines will be offered at launch: a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with an estimated 193 horsepower. That's out of our Spring Hill plant. And the optional 3.6-liter V6 with an estimated 302 horsepower and 270 foot-pounds of torque. And that engine is out of our Flint facility in Michigan. In the second model year, we will offer the 2.8-liter 4-cylinder Duramax turbo diesel, which is the only diesel in the mid-size segment, promising excellent fuel economy and towing capability. Like I said, the new Colorado is a real truck, built to take on the tough jobs our customers will ask of it. We also expect it to be the quietest truck in the segment, with more technology than the other guys, including the next generation MyLink infotainment system and safety features like forward collision alert and lane departure warning. We even included a corner step rear bumper and other cargo box features that have now become the hallmark of Chevrolet trucks. So why are we putting so much truck into this midsize segment? Because that's what our customers want. These customers want the functionality and versatility expected of a pickup, but they don't want or need a full-size truck. The 2015 Chevrolet Colorado offers the functionality of a pickup with the comfort and convenience of a crossover. And it is by far the toughest, highest performing, and most refined midsize truck Chevrolet has ever produced. We also know these customers are adventurous. They want their truck to help them pursue their passions, whether it's kayaking, mountain biking, dirt biking, or maybe all of the above. So we've developed a full line of Colorado accessories with this customer in mind, including an innovative new cargo management system designed to accommodate the different recreational gear customers will want to bring along with them on a regular basis. So no matter what the adventure, the new Chevrolet Colorado is ready, willing, and more than able. And by the way, this is more than just a small Silverado. Just look at it. It's fun, it's a lifestyle truck that should do really well, especially here in California on the West Coast. So please join me, along with Jeff Luke, our Executive Chief Engineer for Trucks, and Ken Parkinson, our Executive Director for Chevrolet Design, and experience the 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. I want to thank you for coming here today. This is a big announcement for us. It's an attack back into this midsize truck segment. So come on up, guys, and we'll talk to you about this truck. Thank you very much.